Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and beautiful scenery ideas. So first here we are making scenery of a beautiful mermaid with long hair. Starting with the mermaid itself, we are making the face, hair and then the body and then the long tail of our mermaid. After that we are making some surroundings. We are making some grass, fishes, starfish and more accessories. After that we are coloring our mermaid. First we are coloring her golden hair with yellow color and then we are coloring the tail, body and then we are coloring the background with some green color and fishes with different color. After that we are cutting it from the sides. As you can see how we are doing it, we are cutting all parts we've made and then pasting it on a different sheet which is orange in color. As you can see, it gives it a very good effect also. Then we are detailing it by using some white color. Let's move ahead. Here we are making 3 fishes with different expressions and features. Starting with the first fish, we're gonna make the eyes, fins and the tail. After that detailing it with some design. Then we are moving ahead towards the second fish. We are making the eyes and the mouth and then the fins. After that moving ahead towards the third fish, we will gonna make the eyes, mouth and the fins and tails. After that we are making some seagrass on the background and more. You can detail them even more with some bubbles and some more fishes. After that we are making a squid and then you can see it is almost ready. After that we are going to color it with different colors, starting with the green color and yellow color for our first fish. Then we will proceed towards the second with pink color and dark pink color, and then we are coloring the third fish with some orange and dark orange color, coloring the grass with green color and therefore the squid with some blue color, and then coloring the background with some blue color, leaving the middle part white only, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making drawing of some animals. First we are starting with the beautiful panda. We are making its face and then the body and then the details. Then we will proceed towards our cat wearing goggles. We are gonna make the detailings like eyes, nose, mouth and the stripes. Then third we are making a cute hippo. After that we gonna proceed towards our lion, and like that only we gonna make the rest of them. We are making a giraffe with a long neck and then we are writing zoo on it in bold letters. After that we are coloring it. First we are coloring the panda with black color and then the cat with some orange color, hippo with some blue color and the giraffe with some black color and our lion with some yellow and orange color. Then we are using colorful colors for coloring our background. After that we are using a brush for expanding the color to hide the cavity of white color. You can see how it makes the changes and makes it look more good, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.